We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We're going to be looking at how to say more biblical names as well, names from the Bible as well. So if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations of those, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. He was the 20th and final king of Judah. So how do you say it? That's your phonetic spelling right here. Zedekiah. Alright, so 4 syllables. Z, A, Kai, A. Your stress is on that Kai syllable, so you can see that the I is actually said like an I. Zedekiah. Zedekiah. Now you know, remember? Zedekiah. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of names from the Bible. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.